Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create AI kissing video using absolutely free method. So if you are new my channel, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell. So without any time wastage, let's get started. First, I'm using Canva because I want to generate a photo like male and female. Then I am using a free AI tool for creating and converting AI image to kissing video. So if you want to learn this one, please keep watch full video. Don't skip any second, because if you skip any second, you don't understand properly. First, example purpose, I just delete this one, then add a male. Just click on enter. If you are a mobile user, this is the same method, and this method work on mobile are same. Okay, I want to again convert it. This one, this is very realistic, so I want to use this one. So I just remove background, but it don't necessary, but this is good, is a thing. Okay, then I remove this one. Then I want to add another female, then click on enter. Okay, woman. Okay, this is good. Now I need to just download this photo from Canva as a PNG JPG. This is good. Then going a free AI tool, it's called like helio.com. so this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. When you click, you are redirected to this website. You need only join with your Gmail, then type helio. This is a website. So when you join, you get every day free 100 credits, and when you generate a image to video, you must cutting 30 credits, and you got every day 100, and you cutting the website cutting 30 for every creation. So maybe you generate 3 AI image to video every day from one single email address. Then click on this button, then I just input here. Okay, then drag and drop. Then okay, it's already uploading right now. Then I write here each person kissing with happy moment. Okay, that's good. Now click on this icon 30. Then you need only wait few seconds. It's depend on your internet speed. So you can see it's already processing right now. You can see this video I created in the last week, maybe, I don't know. Then if I playing first one, wow. Wow, this really good. And if I going to another one, and this one, oh, this is really fantastic and gorgeous. So I'm waiting few seconds for this processing. Wow, you can see these videos are also good and attractive. So if you want more video to type up, please comment below. And if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. If you have any questions, please comment below. See you again, take care, goodbye.